Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today we bring you the ultimate evolution of German performance and precision, the all-new 2026 BMW M5. This isn't just a sports sedan. It's a high-performance icon engineered for drivers who demand power, control, and everyday usability in one commanding package. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 BMW M5, its aggressive presence is unmistakable. The bold kidney grille, sharp LED headlights, and sculpted aerodynamic body lines give it a muscular yet refined look. Wider fenders, performance air intakes, and subtle M-specific details emphasize strength over excess, signaling that this sedan is built for serious performance. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW M5 delivers electrifying power. A twin-turbo V8 engine paired with advanced hybrid technology produces breathtaking performance with instant torque and relentless acceleration. This powertrain not only enhances speed, but also improves efficiency, showcasing BMW M's commitment to innovation. With xDrive all-wheel drive and an M-Tune suspension, the M5 remains stable, composed, and brutally quick in every driving condition. Step inside the M5, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with motorsport character. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and precision-crafted details surround the driver and passengers. The M Sport seats provide exceptional support, while ambient lighting and advanced sound insulation maintain comfort even at high speeds. The digital cockpit brings cutting-edge technology front and center. A fully digital instrument cluster, large curved infotainment display, and the latest iDrive system deliver intuitive control and crisp visuals. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system ensure seamless connectivity and entertainment on every drive. Safety and driver confidence remain core strengths of the M5. Advanced driver assistance systems include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision prevention, blind spot monitoring, and enhanced stability management. These features work seamlessly to support the driver without diluting the thrill of performance driving. On the road, the 2026 BMW M5 offers an exhilarating yet refined experience. Acceleration is explosive, cornering is sharp and controlled, and the adaptive suspension absorbs road imperfections with precision. Whether cruising comfortably or pushing hard, the M5 delivers confidence and excitement in equal measure. Competing with performance sedans like the Mercedes-AMG E63 and Audi RS7, the 2026 BMW M5 stands out with its perfect balance of power, technology, and everyday practicality. With an expected starting price around $120,000, it remains the benchmark for high-performance luxury sedans. So, if you're looking for a sports sedan where raw power meets refined engineering, the 2026 BMW M5 continues to define what an M car should be. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more exclusive car reviews and performance insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay connected to the latest in automotive excellence.